You must have heard that a lot of people are making good money selling ebook online. But what you may not know is the type of ebook you should create in order to make money online. In this video, I am going to share with you the type of ebook that makes sales online. And that type of ebook is coloring ebook. What do we mean by coloring ebook? A coloring ebook is a type of ebook that users will have to fill it out and trace the parts, color the book in a way they want. It can be alphabet for little children or animals or different types of ebook coloring. In this video, the type of coloring ebook we are going to make is animal ebook. And in this channel, I make videos around educational technology and digital tools. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so. If you are ready, let's dive in. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will need to do is to go to Chrome and open Canva. Once you open the Canva, it will load and you will sign in with your account. I will drop the link in the description box below. After signing in, you then search for ebook template. So I will type ebook and click on ebook template pages. From the available templates, I will choose any one of my choice. Remember, what we want to create is a coloring ebook. So let me choose this one. Then click on customize this template. I can change the title of this ebook. For this, I will say wild animals. Then resize it so that it will fit into your page. It all depends on the title of the coloring book you are creating. I can just leave other things like this, but you know, if you are doing a real coloring book, you need to fully customize all this. Then the next thing I will do is to add a page. I can go on to put the contents, introduction and all of that, but I want to go into the main thing. If you would like to learn how to do full ebook, I have made a video on that. You can check the description box for the link. Because we are doing animal coloring book, I will search for wild animals here. From elements, I will then search, for example, lion. Press enter. Then look for the one that will suit my needs. I can change it to graphics. Assuming this is the one I want, I'll just drag and drop it here. Because it has a filled color, I need to change this color so that I will allow my users to fill it with any color of their choice. So what I will do is I will come to this place. The outline color, you can see the outline color is this particular color, dark brown. I will change it to black. Then after changing this outline, I will come to fill color, then make it white. Do the same thing with this one, turn it white too, so that when it is like this, the user will then color it by themselves. So for them to understand what I'm doing here, I will need to add text description on top. To do this, I will come to text here and click on add a heading. It has highlighted the heading here. Then I will type the name of the animal, which is lion. I can leave it down here or move it on top. Maybe if I want to give any description about lion, I can use a body text to do that. So once you click on it, it will come out here. Then you use this to drag it down. You can enlarge it so that it will accommodate the text you want to enter. So here is my text, just for a brief description of lion. So by this way, my user will now shade this lion according to their need. When I am through with this, I can add another page, then go back to elements and look for another wild animal. Say giraffe, press enter. It will get this animal for me. Remember, we are under graphics so that it can get list of graphics that you can easily change its color. Again, you should be mindful of these crowns here. That is for pro version. On this particular account, I am using a free version so that it will be easy for anybody to follow through. So assuming this is the one I want, I'll just drag it or just click it and it will appear inside my page. Then I'll resize it to make it bigger. As we did before, change the outline color maybe to black. Then inside color, turn it to white. This is to allow your users to be able to fill the color by themselves. You can as well add text so that you can write the title of the animal. Then add body text. Body text will enable you to give brief description of the animal. I just copied a text from Google Gemini. If you would like to learn how to use Google Gemini, I did a video on this. I will also put the link in the description box below. So you can continue to add new pages and create your coloring ebook. When you are through, you will need to download it. So to download this, all you need to do is to go to share button here. When you click on it, you then come to download button here. Then change this file type to PDF. PDF print. So we have 3 pages. You select all of them and click on the download button. As you can see, our file is currently downloading. Here is the file. So to view it, you just click on it or you locate the location and open it. Here is our coloring book on wild animals. As you can see, so the user will now color them as they wish. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also like it so that YouTube will recommend the video to others. If you have any question, kindly drop them on the comment section below. I will personally attend to all of them. Also check the description box for any other related video. Until next time, keep learning.